Hello my dear friends, welcome in class 6 mathematics class. Today we shall solve the problems of exercise 3.6. Number 1. Find the HCF of the following numbers. Number A, 18 and 48. 18 equal to 2 into 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. 3 equal to 3 into 1. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 48. 48 equal to 2 into 24. 24 equal to 2 into 12. 12 equal to 2 into 6. 6 equal to 2 into 3 and 3 equal to 3 into 1. So 48 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So what factors are common between 18 and 48? 1 2 is common and 1 3 is common. So the common factors of 18 and 48 is 2 into 3. Thus, highest common factor HCF of 18 and 48 is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Number B, 30 and 48. 30 equal to 2 into 15 equal to 30. 15 equal to 3 into 5. 42 equal to 2 into 21. 21 equal to 3 into 7. So 30 equal to 2 into 3 into 5. 42 equal to 2 into 3 into 7. So what factors are common between 30 and 42? 1 2 is common and 1 3 is common. Thus HCF of 30 and 42 is 2 into 3 equal to 6. Number C, 18 and 60. 18 equal to 2 into 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 60. 60 equal to 2 into 30. 30 equal to 2 into 15. 15 equal to 3 into 5. So 60 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Thus HCF of 18 and 60. What factors are common? 1 2 is common and 1 3 is common. 2 into 3 equal to 6. Number D, 27 and 63. 27 equal to 3 into 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. So 27 equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 63. 63 equal to 3 into 21. 21 equal to 3 into 7. So 27 equal to 3 into 3 into 3. 63 equal to 3 into 3 into 7. So the factors common between 27 and 63 is 1 3 and 1 3. So 2 3 is common between 27 and 63. Thus HCF of 27 and 63 is 3 into 3 equal to 9. Number E, 36 and 84. 36 equal to 2 into 18. 18 equal to 2 into 9. 9 equal to 3 into 3. So 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 84. 84 equal to 2 into 42. 42 equal to 2 into 21. 21 equal to 3 into 7. So 84 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 7. The factors common between 36 and 84 are 1 2, 1 2 and 1 3. So HCF of 36 and 84 is 2 into 2 into 3 equal to 12. Number F, 34 and 102. 34 equal to 2 into 17. 17 equal to 17 into 1. 102 equal to 2 into 51. 51 equal to 3 into 17. 17 equal to 17 into 1. 34 equal to 2 into 17 and 102 equal to 2 into 3 into 17. So the factors common between 34 and 102 are 1 2 and 117. Thus HCF of 34 and 102 is 2 into 17 equal to 34. Number G, 30, 105 and 175. 30 equal to 2 into 35, 35 equal to 5 into 7, 105, 3 into 35 equal to 105, and 35 equal to 5 into 7, 175 equal to 5 into 35, 35 equal to 5 into 7. Thus 70 equal to 2 into 5 into 7, 105 equal to 3 into 5 into 7, and 175 equal to 5 into 5 into 7. Thus common factors between 70, 105 and 175 are 1, 5 and 1, 7. Thus HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is 5 into 7 equal to 35. Number H, 91, 112 and 49. 91 equal to 3 into 13. 112 equal to 2 into 56. 56 equal to 2 into 28. 28 equal to 2 into 14. 14 equal to 2 into 7. 49 equal to 7 into 7. Thus 91 equal to 7 into 13. 112 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7, and 49 equal to 7 into 7. The common factors between 91, 112 and 49 is 1, 7. Only 1, 7 is common in 3. So HCF of 91, 112 and 49 is 7. Number I, 18, 54 and 81. 18 equal to 2 into 9, 9 equal to 3 into 3, 54 equal to 2 into 27, 27 equal to 3 into 9, 9 equal to 3 into 3, and 81, 81 equal to 3 into 27, 27 equal to 3 into 9, and 9 equal to 3 into 3. So 18 equal to 2 into 3 into 3, 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. The common factors between 18, 54 and 81 are 1, 3 and 1, 3. So 2, 3 is common. The HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is 3 into 3 equal to 9. Number J, 18, 45 and 75. 12, 45 and 75. 12 equal to 2 into 6. 6 equal to 2 into 3. 45 equal to 3 into 15. 15 equal to 3 into 5. 75 equal to 3 into 25 and 25 equal to 5 into 5. So factors of 12 are 2 into 2 into 3. 45 equal to 3 into 3 into 5, and 75 equal to 3 into 5 into 5. Thus HCF between 12, 45 and 75 is only 1, 3 is common. So highest common factors of 12, 45 and 75 is 3. Number 2. What is the highest common factor of two consecutive numbers? Example. What are the examples are 8 and 9 are two consecutive numbers. 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 9 equal to 3 into 9 equal to 3 into 3 into 1. So the common factors between 8 and 9 is only 1. So HCF of 8, 9 is 1. Example number 2. 20 and 21 are consecutive numbers. 20 equal to 2 into 2 into 5 into 1, and 21 equal to 3 into 7 into 1. So the common factors between 20 and 21 is only 1. So HCF of 20 and 21 is 1. Number 3. 35 and 36. 35 and 36 both are consecutive numbers. 35 equal to 5 into 7 into 1. 36 equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. So HCF of 35 and 36 is 1. So HCF of two consecutive numbers is always 1. Number 2. HCF of two consecutive even numbers. Examples. Number 1. 8 and 10 are two consecutive even numbers. 8 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 and 10 equal to 2 into 5. So HCF of 8 and 10 is 2. Number 2, 24 and 26. 24 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, and 26 equal to 2 into 13. So HCF of 24 and 26 is 2. Only one common factor, which is 2. Number 3, 24 and 20, 22 and 24. 22 and 24 are consecutive even numbers. 52 equal to 2 into 2 into 13. 54 equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. So HCF of 52 and 54 is 2, because only one common factor, which is 2. So I can say HCF of two consecutive even numbers is always 2. Now number C, HCF of two consecutive odd numbers. Example 1, 5 and 7. 5 and 7 are two consecutive odd numbers. 5 equal to 1 into 5 and 7 equal to 1 into 7. So common factors between 5 and 7 is only 1. Number 2, 15 and 17. 15 and 17 are two consecutive odd numbers. 15 equal to 3 into 5 into 1, and 17 equal to 17 into 1. So only 1 is a common factor. So HCF, highest common factor, of 15 and 17 is 1. Number 3, 49 and 51. 49 and 51 are two consecutive odd numbers. 49 equal to 1 into 7 into 7. 51 equal to 1 into 3 into 17. So HCF of 49 and 51 is 1. Only 1 is a common factors. So I can say HCF of two consecutive odd number is always 1. Number 3, HCF of co-prime numbers 4 and 15 was found as follow by factorization. 4 equal to 2 into 2 and 15 equal to 3 into 5. Since there is no common prime factor, so HCF of 4 and 15 is 0. Is the answer correct? If not, what is the correct answer? The HCF between two co-prime number is not 0. This statement is false, because 4 equal to 1 into 2 into 2. Here 4 equal to 2 into 2. Yes, 4 equal to 2 into 2 into 1. 1. Here 1 is disguise. 15 equal to 1 into 3 into 5. So HCF of 4 and 15 is 1. HCF of any two co-prime number is always 1. Here 1 is disguised. That is why HCF of 4 and 15 not 0, it is 1. I hope all of you understand the problems solving procedures. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe this channel to get regular update.